Welcome folks to 43 North Outdoors. I'm Don Taft. I'm fishing Jackson County, Wisconsin with a fly rod, 7-foot fly rod, and I'm using probably the most universal fly there is for any type of fly fishing, and that's the grasshopper. You can catch crappie, bluegill, trout with it. I prefer it. It has been very successful for me. I'm not an expert, but you should try it. And I catch rainbows on it, I catch brown, I catch brook trout on it. And I've had great success my entire time here in Jackson County with this bait. It's exclusively what I've used in either a tan or a green, but it's an excellent bait. So the technique I've been using is I try to stay stealth. The fish are tucked up against the shoreline, and I use a modified roll cast to drop the fly right in the LZ. Nice little trout. Beautiful fighting little rainbow, Jackson County, little backwood stream under the canopy. Successful release. A lot of the water in the area where I'm fishing is stained water. It has very much a rust-colored look to it. Doesn't mean it's polluted. It's just high in iron, high in minerals, and it has good water clarity, but it's a stained color.